Today's recipe guys ay gagawa tayo ng pork ribs with sauce. So, try natin to guys, yung paggawa natin ng pork ribs today guys. For sure, you will love it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Click the bell for you to keep updated. So, i-prepare muna natin guys ang ating mga ingredients. So, mag-chop lang tayo guys ng mga 4 to 5 pieces or cloves of garlic. And then, 1 medium size ng onions. So, i-chop lang din natin siya ng maliliit guys. And, yung tama lang guys na laki ng onions. So, sa gagawin natin today ay hindi ganun kadami yung mga ingredients na gagamitin natin. So, usually, it's a common yung mga ingredients na easy lang guys na makikita guys. So, ganun kadali yung gagawin natin today. So, gumamit din ako ng 2 pieces ng carrots. So, yung katamtaman ng yung laki guys. And then 1 piece ng large potatoes. So depends sa inyo guys kung gusto nyong dagdagan or gusto nyong medyo marami yung carrots and then yung potatoes. So ayan, depende sa inyo kung gaano kadami guys. So i-cut lang natin yung ating carrots and yung ating potatoes into your desired sizes guys. So yung tama lang guys, yung wag sobrang laki at wag yung sobrang liit kasi yung tama lang guys, yung katamtaman lang kumbaga. So, alam naman natin that carrots are very nutritious guys. So, mas mainam talaga na sa araw-araw guys ay yung ating diet ay magkakaroon tayo ng healthy and as well as masarap. Hindi lang masarap and healthy yung ating kakainin guys. So, yung ating potatoes naman guys ay i-cut lang din natin ng ganun lang din kalalaki. So, as what I have said guys na kung gusto nyong dagdagan ay pwede nyong dagdagan yung potatoes. So, ayan. So, actually guys, yung lulutuin natin today ay pwede rin kayong gumamit ng sweet potato if you want guys. Okay, so ito yung ating isang peraso ng katamtamang laki ng ating kamatis guys. So yung hinog na kamatis kakailanganin natin. I-cut lang natin guys. And sobrang 1 is enough guys. So ayan. And then gumamit din ako guys ng half lang ng bell pepper. So yung ginamit ko today is red bell pepper. So, any color will do guys. So, mayroon kasing orange, may green, and red. So, actually kasi guys, maliban sa vegetable natin and itong bell pepper ay ito rin ay isang nagpapadagdag ng gandang kulay, colorful sa ating ulam. So, ayan na guys, yung ating mga ingredients. So, mayroon din tayo ditong mga dinagdag pa dito. Okay, so basahin nyo na lang yan guys. Yung ginamit pala natin ay 1 kilogram ng pork ribs. So ayan ang ating common ingredients guys. And naka-ready na yan. So let's start cooking. So magpainit lang tayo ng ating kawali guys. And maglagay ng kakaunting mantika. And igigisa lang natin yung ating garlic and yung onions guys na chinap natin kanina. So, yun yung pinaka main ingredients natin. So, once maluto na guys yung ating garlic and onions ay pwede na natin i-add yung ating pork ribs. Okay. So, ayan. Kita nyo na yan guys. In-add ko na guys yung ating pork. So, pag ganito guys ay ihalo natin muna ng maigi. So, wag muna tayong mag-add ng water. So, hayaan muna natin siya guys. Ihalo natin yung ating pork. And after that, ay hayaan lang natin siyang pakuluin ng kaunti guys. Okay, so cover lang natin and let it simmer guys in just few minutes until na mag-change yung kulay ng ating karne or yung ating pork ribs. Okay, so ayan. So, nag-change na yung kulay and then may kakaunti siyang sabaw. So, hindi muna tayo maglagay ng tubig guys kasi gusto ko medyo maluto muna ng kaunti yung ating pork ribs. And, maglagay na tayo guys ng salt and pepper. So, sa ganitong ako kasi guys, gusto ko magkakaroon ng lasa yung meat. Every time na mag-isa ako guys ng meat ay ginagawa ko ito. So, maglagay ako ng salt and pepper. So, at least guys, while you are, ginigisa mo siya guys at maglagay ka ng mga panlasa. Yung naglagay ako ng ating oyster sauce. So, ma-absorb ng ating meat guys. Mas masarap yung meat natin once na pag ganito maglagay tayo ng salt, pepper, and yung ating oyster sauce. So, yan po ang ginagawa ko. Para, guys, pag kinain natin yung karne o yung meat guys, ay malalasahan natin guys yung flavor. Hindi siya matabang, kumbaga. So, ayan guys, after nyan, ay saka na tayo mag-add ng tubig. Okay, so, we have to add water enough guys hanggang sa magiging soft and tender yung ating meat. So, kung kinakailangan magdagdag tayo later on guys ng tubig, ng sabaw, kung matigas pa ay gawin natin yun guys para mas masarap kasi guys na soft yung ating karne guys. So ayan, takpan na natin yan and we have to wait guys hanggang sa kumulo and then until na magiging tender ang ating pork ribs guys. So ayan, ihalo lang natin and tingnan natin guys. And so, this time guys, ay hindi pa siya talaga ganun ka lambot yung ating pork ribs. So, hayaan lang muna natin siyang kumulo ng kumulo guys. And then, tingnan lang natin guys. So, baka maubusan ng tubig. So, ayan. So, i-need natin guys na unahin idagdag yung ating tomato. So, para magiging soft din yung ating tomatoes guys and magiging kasi instead na maglagay tayo ng puree, gusto ko kasi guys light lang, so ito lang yung tomato lang yung nilagay ko. So ayan, kumukulo na siya guys and mga 30 minutes na yan guys. So i-add natin yung ating pork cubes. So optional din ito kung gusto nyo mag-add or hindi guys. And dahil malapit nang maluto or lumambot yung ating karne or malambot na siya guys pero hindi pa siya talaga ganoon kalambot, so pwede na nating i-add yung ating carrots and yung ating potatoes. So ayan guys, so hayaan din natin na nakumulo siya guys and until na maluto yung ating potatoes at yung ating carrots. So ayan guys, kumulo na. So ayan, pwede na rin nating isunod yung ating bell pepper guys. So medyo huli yung bell pepper natin kasi mabilis lang naman talagang lumambot yung ating bell peppers. So ayan, so tingnan nyo guys yung kulay ng ating bell peppers. Ayan yung nagpapatingkad, nagpapadagdag ng appetite, okay, because of the colors. So ayan, so next yan guys ay inad ko na rin yung ating 1 cup ng tomato ketchup. Okay, so kung mayroon kayong banana ketchup din guys is okay and pwede. So ayan guys, ang kasunod nito ay hintayin natin siya guys na hanggang lumapot or magiging thick ang consistency ng ating sabaw, kasi yan yung talagang pinaka-aim natin dito guys, yung sauce na medyo thick siya guys, so wag masabaw. So mas masarap kasi guys na parang yung sarsa niya guys ay matigas siya. So ayan, and then after na magiging thick na yung sabaw natin, saka na natin i-add yung ating green peas. So, ayan guys. So, mas sarap siya guys dahil ayan, kitang-kita nyo naman guys. And then, nilagay ko na yung lalo siyang tumigas guys kasi nilagyan ko siya ng green peas. Okay, so ayan na nga. And malapit na itong matapos guys. And tikman natin. Kung hindi enough yung salt, then pwede kayong mag-add. And then pwede nyong lagyan ng kahit na 1 teaspoon ng sugar guys. Kung hindi ganun ka tamis yung inyong ketchup guys. So yung lasa nito guys ay medyo sweet and medyo ano siya, basta hindi yung sobrang tamis, pero yung matitikman mo lang yung kaunting sweetness guys. So ayan. And then in just a few minutes ay pwede na natin siyang tanggalin, and then pwede na natin siyang i-serve. Pwede siya guys sa bread, and pwede rin siya guys sa white rice. And napaka yummy and tasty guys. So please try this at home guys. Sobrang napakasarap nito guys. Okay, hindi yung sabaw pa lang guys ay napakasarap na. Yung sauce pa lang niya guys ay pwede nang pang-ulam. Okay, so pwedeng pang tinapay, pwedeng pang kanin, walang problema. So ayan, so in just a while guys ay pwede na natin siyang tanggalin kasi ano na siya guys, so thick na yung kanyang sabaw. So I hope guys you enjoyed our recipe today, and please do try this in your own kitchens, and I'm sure you will love it. So ayan guys, siniserve na natin while it's still hot ang ating pork ribs. Okay, so napakasimple, napakadali guys, and napakasarap of course ng ating recipe today. And kainan na guys. And ayan, mainit-init pa yan guys. So prepare na yung white rice, and then prepare na yung kapartner na vegetable guys. So ayan guys, napaka-saucy niya guys. So maraming salamat. Thank you very much everyone for watching. And I hope you guys please subscribe, like, and share yung ating channel. And I am so happy for your support. Thank you very much for being there all the time. Maraming salamat guys, and I'm so happy and I really enjoy cooking guys. So please do try all my recipes down. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day and stay safe. God bless everyone.